I don't know if you can see it or hear it even, but I stepped out the back door this morning and I heard this like buzzing sound. I thought, geez, did I leave the water running all night? It almost sounded like water dripping. And then I took a closer look where the sound was coming from. And it looks like the canary palm tree is blooming. And there are so many honeybees swarming all over this tree. It's a little hard to see. I really can't get too close, if you know what I mean. But who knew it would be blooming in December? Well, it looks like it is. Thing won't turn off. Come on, turn off. I have to hit you with a sledgehammer? Come on, turn off.